friends, how are you doing? Welcome. This is Mamatime Posh, and today I'm gonna have another one. This time I went to Goodwill. There was no specials, just regular day, but it's been a while since I went there, so I wanted to try. And yeah, of course I found some good stuff. You cannot outdeal the deal. It's always something, you know. So I went to Source since I listed everything I had already, and that's my kind of rule, that I have to list, or at least photograph and enter everything I have before I go shopping again, because I don't want to get overwhelmed with stuff and so on. So let's get to it. My first one, this was on it's all gonna be little stuff. So first off, I got those Puma shoes. Probably it's, you know, not major, but they look new inside too, and they might need to be a little bit cleaned up, but right now I would say this is what's trending. It's like slip-on sneakers, comfort shoes. So this was $10, but I got the discount. I will be selling it for about 35 or so, and bigger size of course is good too. Another thing I found there was this bag. How beautiful. Look at that. Hand painted leather. Like this. And I did look this up because I wasn't familiar with this brand. Here we go. But it's Yachi, I guess. Made in USA, which is a good thing. And genuine leather, which I always look for. And it is in, well, I would say excellent condition, and it's very cool design. Look how it has zippers. It's my doggy. I'm sorry guys. Sky, come here. You want to say hi? So I sold the same style, different brands throughout the history, and they were always worth it, so just decided to go with it again. Say hi. Whoa, so vicious. Say hi. Okay, but now let's calm down. Sit. Sit. So I always check belts. This one was, I believe, yes, it's a Brighton, and it's a little bit bigger size, vintage. It was $1.99 all. In Goodwill, where I live, we do not have color of the week or anything like that, but we do have like members, good friends or something like that, that you get discounts, 20% off on everything every day. So, you know, all this stuff was cheaper than actual price. Next belt, I couldn't really figure out the brand. I still have to find it because it's kind of hard to see, but it's made with genuine snake leather. It's in very good condition, and it's like a vintage, cool vintage belt. And I believe now belts are really hot, you know, so trending. So I'll be selling those as often as I can, and a lot of people don't check that. Next, I found those, I believe those are tennis or golf shoes, and they are from Eco, I think. Eco Hybrid 3, and I got it because I looked it up, and there was some sold for like $175, and I paid $5.99, and I got 20% off discount. So I'll clean them up and I'll try selling them. So that was a good deal. And those are also shoes. They're missing lace, but you know, it's just the plain black laces. But they're leather, and they're from Lola Cray or something like that. Anyway, I looked it up, and it's like an Anthropology, and those shoes are very popular. And I also saw a lot of sold for around 100 and so on. They have smiley faces. They're not as good condition, but they're still really cool, and they're leather. They're leather inside and out. So gonna try that. And then I found some other clothes. I'm just thinking summer, because where I live is already hot. So you know, today is a little bit cooler day, Sky. But I got this little tunic cover up, very soft and has tie belt. Sky, no, quiet. And this everybody missed, but this is Athleta Dress, which I always pick those up because Athleta sells pretty good. And this dress look like it's, I don't know, never been worn. Excellent condition. So, and it stretches, and you can wear it to the beach. Size 6. It was $6.99, but I got the 20% off. So I figured now is the time. Sky, you gonna be quiet, or you wanna be out? Out of the video. Next item, I have this beautiful silk blouse, Meadow, which I think it's Anthropology. And Anthropology is kind of slow, I would say, but it still sells, especially if it's like, you know, like the Swiss dot and embroidered and boho, loose fit, and it's 100% silk. So it's $4.99, and I got additional 20% off, so I took it. Now this one, there's a bird. My dog is gonna go bananas. Quiet. All right, Sky. Sorry, guys. I need to put her away. Dogs, right? So what was I saying? Yes, summer's coming, right? So we gotta focus on selling summer stuff and, you know, springy. So this is another Anthropology, I believe. I think it is. I think I looked it up. It was like selling for about 50. Good size 12. Very unique looking dress, and has the tie for the waists and like a tea dress style. I thought it's perfect, even though people are not going places, but still. Next item, I've been trying to get more men's items, but I'm still struggling. I mean, I know some brands, but they're not seen as often in where I live, you know. So, and this brand is not selling as well as it used to. Vineyard Vines, but this shirt look really new, and it's like a fishing shirt, and it has big logo. If they have big logo, usually they do better, and this is kind of cool. So I think this will sell, and it's size large, so you know, beach or fishing shirt, it's good. Now everybody wants to go fishing. Next item, I don't usually get bras, but this brand sells pretty good, Kashik, and this is good size, 44 double D, so that's a, you know, and it looks good. It's not, it was never, it's like a beige gray color, so I figure I'll try. It looks good. And then I got this top, which is from Brian Walker, and I saw that this brand, sells really well. And I mean, this is pretty cool. It has this leather looking sleeves. It's kind of loose fit crop. Has this little button detail. I always look for like the design details that make it really stand out, then you can tell that it's something better. And I mean, look like how it's finished, you know, it's finished very well. The stitching is really good, so you can tell it's better brand. And also of course I look it up, and it's made in USA. Usually when it says made in USA, it's gonna be good deal. And I also got those Bantarasi. I'm sorry, I'm butchering this, but those are straight leg linen pants. And I have to keep them, but they're in very good condition, and anything white with excellent condition says that, you know, it's probably never been worn. And those I have tie waist and perfect for spring and summer, and they were $4.99. Got 20% off. I also got something for me. Got just a little cover up, open front, or like almost all open dress for beach, and another 2 tops that I already washed and worn. But and another cover up. Very cute, boho style. No brand, but I still think based on style will sell. And okay, this was the last item that I got, and I actually found it pretty quickly, and I was shocked because I don't think I ever seen this brand, but I was just looking up recently the designers that sell for a lot on threadup or the Real, and this is one of the brands. So if you ever see it, get it. I don't know if you can see. Oh, it's hard to see. It's Etro, ETRO. It's made in Italy. So this is just a button down, kind of southwestern, a little bit mixed with high fashion shirt, and it's white, but it looks really good. And this kind of shirt on Real sells for over $100 to even $175. So I figured I'll give it a try. My new strategy is to look specifically for the brands that I know sell on Real, or to look for brands I do not know, because if I don't know, usually it's worth looking up, because the ones you know is most likely the ones everybody else knows, you know. So those are harder to find, but a lot of people miss those. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw some brands that might help you, and yes, please like this video, subscribe, help me gain some views, because I'm still new. I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much. Again, it's Mamatime, and you can find me also on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.